howdy, it's the Boss Buddy, AA. I'm here to make your day, put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Save the planet, be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boss Buddy! Ninebark. Once the pollinators see it, they shoot at it like an arrow and its mark. No, this plant is not made from ninebarks, but no, you won't see it in your local park. But we don't need a legislative to plant native in a backyard along with our tomatoes, cucumbers, and chard. Bad jokes, LMAO. But when you see the native bees come to it, you want to say ka-pow. Ninebark's scientific name is Physocarpus, which in Greek means bladder fruit geek. Hey, come to my house and let's play hide and seek. It's called that because when you see its flowers, you'll want to pause. Ooh. The flowers look amazing, but are inflated. Well, you know what? On my list it made it for a great pollinator plant. This plant's bark toxicity is level 9. And the pollinators say, this plant is mine. I don't care if you give me 1,000 dimes. Oh man, look at these funny rhymes. This plant's bark is always falling in strips. Ouch! The chemicals we let them spray make the ecosystem pants rip. If you see someone you know spray, take the time to educate them today. Chemicals come back to harm us through the air, water, and food plates. You don't want chemicals in your food on your dates. We can grow plants like this to change our planet's fate for the better. Be a native plant gardening go-getter. So plant the ninebark. Once the pollinators see it, they shoot at it like an arrow and its mark. No, this plant is not made from ninebarks. And no, you won't see it in your local park. But we don't need a legislative to plant native. In a backyard we plant it along with our tomatoes, cucumbers, and chard. Bad jokes, LMAO. But when you see the native bees come to it, you want to say ka-pow.